While sleeping.
When sleeping, coming and then when I open my eyes and at the night feel all the new spirit. Every day is 2-3 times when coming have see when coming and see when coming rain. 2-3 times have see coming and going and half time and under night not have see coming and sleeping.
Okay. So, they disturb you and embarrass you every night only. Okay.
It's open this I've opened one canal and
Yes.
I'm coming I don't know it's possible to close it this door this
So that time you are manifesting or praying that time? Then they
praying.
you pray and they come into your body. The bad spirits or ghosts.
I'm praying Jesus and praying
Not coming, but they are coming.
Okay. Every time, every night, every day, praying, and
Okay, open your eyes, sir. Okay, drink this, sir. Okay. Now it's okay. Okay? I will advise you. Where do you contact me, sir? Messenger, number, or
Facebook.
Facebook? May Facebook account, sir. Message me, and I will send to you the how
Yes.
to deal with it, or how to overcome to your problem. Okay?
Yes.
The right process, how to rebuke evil spirits, ghosts, anything bad entities, anything bad happen to your life, especially the ghosts that you try to tell to me every night. They are you always bothered by the evil spirits and ghosts. Different ghosts or evil spirits every night. Okay, so from now on, it's done. Okay, it's okay. I pray for you, and you should obey what I'm advised to yourself. Okay. In Jesus' name, they are banished. No? They are done. Okay. So, how about your feeling right now? Before we came here, you have a tiredness, or okay. You don't understand, so a little English only. Okay, so again, you're Spanish or
Italy.
Italy, no?
Italy,
German.
Italy.
German.
Yes.
Yeah. So you speak a little bit English.
Yes.
Okay, so maybe I'll send to your messenger, and so that you can translate it
Okay.
in German, so that you can easily understand what my advice is. Okay, translate English to German. I will send to your messenger. Okay.
Yes.
So, but remind me that you came here. Okay. You message me again. Okay, in messenger. Okay, sir. So that I will send the process and guidelines. Okay, so I pray for you. It's done. It's okay. In Jesus' name, you're okay. So I assume that you're okay and you'll be better, and